Do you ever look at your spare change and think, what if this could actually be doing something for me? Well, that's the core idea behind Acorns. It's a micro-investing app that turns your everyday spending into a long-term investment strategy. It's perfect for anyone who wants to start investing but feels like they don't have enough money or don't know where to begin. So, how does Acorns actually work? It all starts with the simplest concept, roundups. You link your credit or debit cards to the app, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up to the nearest dollar. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, Acorns takes that extra 50 cents and puts it aside. Once your spare change hits at least $5, it gets automatically invested. This is investing on autopilot. You don't even have to think about it. But Acorns is more than just roundups. You can also set up recurring investments, like investing $5 a day or $25 a week, or even make one-time deposits whenever you want. So all those little contributions add up. Now, where does your money go? Acorns doesn't have you picking individual stocks. Instead, it recommends one of its expert-built, diversified portfolios. These portfolios are made up of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are like a basket of different investments, including stocks and bonds. When you first sign up, Acorns asks you a few questions about your financial goals and your comfort with risk. Based on your answers, it suggests a portfolio that's right for you, whether that's conservative, aggressive, or somewhere in between. The beauty of this is diversification. By spreading your money across thousands of different companies, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. This helps to reduce risk. Plus, your money is working for you 24/7 through the power of compounding, which is when your earnings start to generate their own earnings. The longer you invest, the more your money can potentially grow on its own. Acorns also has other features, like Acorns Later for retirement accounts and Acorns Early for investing in a child's future. It's a full financial wellness system designed to help you save, invest, and grow your money without a lot of hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.